Hi, I'm Cheylin Rose and I am in the process of redoing my fiance's bedroom, so subscribe please so you can see that. So I thought I would show you one of the DIYs that I'm doing for this space, and that is painting this old broken guitar. My fiance is an excellent musician and I wanted to bring a piece of art in that also made sense to who he is. I want to paint different South African landscapes around the edge of this guitar. We love South Africa. It is our home, it has a big soft spot in our hearts, and just make it beautiful. So hopefully I will do that.
Before you at me know that this guitar was wasting away on Kendal's floor. I basically saved its life. Now he wants to string it and play it. So yeah.
Oh, these are my paints. Good morning, day 2. Hi. Day 3 of me working on this guitar, and I have every intention of finishing it today because I haven't been able to shoot what I need to shoot for the video I wanted to post on Friday. So this is the one you're getting. Yay! But first I have thrift store work to do. Okay, my thrift store work is done, and so I am going to see how far I can get on this guitar before 4 when my fiance gets off work. Hello. Goodbye. I am about to do some horribly tedious work on this guitar. Anyway, I thought that while I'm doing this, I could share a bit about how my week is going. First day I started on this guitar, I posted my progress. Some random person commented that, she said, have you finished your embroidery yet? If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's that long ago and I haven't done anything more. And I was like, no. And she's like, how many incomplete projects do you have? And I just like, I know that she didn't mean anything by it, that she wasn't trying to be mean or anything, but it just made me feel like such a complete failure. My mind of like unworthy to, I'm not allowed to start a new project, I'm not allowed to do what I feel like doing. I wrote down a list of every single ongoing project I have. Some are obviously longer durations like my wedding, and some are just ones that I just never finished. Is this the reason why I haven't achieved anything worthy of my 22 years on this planet? And just felt like really bummed out by that. I chatted to my fiance about it. He said to me, Cheylin, you literally finish a project every single week when you put up a YouTube video. And I suppose he's right. I don't really give myself enough credit for what I do and rather just fixate on what I don't do. Anyway, the reason why I'm telling you this is just to remind you to not let random people on the internet make you question your worth and your value, and you are 100% allowed to start and not complete projects ever if you're just doing them for fun. There is no place in the Bible where it says that our worth is determined by our productivity, and I think a lot of 2020 and now 2021 has been that our worth is found in how much more we can do than just like an average person, and that's not the case at all. Your worth is literally in Christ, and that's it. God has pre-planned good things for me to do in this world, and so I don't need to worry that my incomplete embroidery is going to, you know, ruin someone's life. It's not even ruining mine. I'm quite happy with it sitting in my cupboard doing nothing because I really don't like embroidery. I'd much rather paint a guitar. In case you're wondering what happens when I start panicking, I've just spilled juice all over my floor, onto my Bible, onto the book Kendal got me. Okay, so now that I am covered in fruit juice and my floor is a mess, I'm gonna try and finish this before Kendal gets home, which is any minute now. Initially I was gonna put Joburg here, but I really like how it looks with the cities going around it, so I think I'm either gonna do a really tiny Joburg over there, or I'm gonna do a tiny Joburg over here, but I haven't decided. I made my decision and it's neither of the options that I gave you.
I think it's a flute. It's a guitar. Oh wow. Cape Town, Johannesburg. What's this?
That's Bloemfontein.
Bloemfontein.
That's Durban.
Durban.
And that's Pretoria.
Pretoria. Thank you. I'm impressed.